Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, your go-to spot for everything you need to know about the latest products. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Lefant M210 Pro robot vacuum cleaner. This sleek, compact vacuum is packed with impressive features, designed to make your cleaning routine simpler, quieter, and more efficient. Let's see what it can really do. The Lefant M210 Pro is a robotic vacuum cleaner that boasts a 2200 PA suction power, making it a solid contender in the robot vacuum category. It's especially designed with families in mind, particularly pet owners. Its suction power isn't just for show. It picks up everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair with ease. Whether you're dealing with hard floors or low-pile carpets, this vacuum doesn't shy away from a little mess. The key here is its powerful suction, coupled with a unique inlet design that prevents clogs, which is a common issue with pet hair. The compact size, only 2.99 inches tall, means it can glide effortlessly under furniture that many other robot vacuums can't reach. So if you've got pets and furniture that needs frequent cleaning, this vacuum might be exactly what you're looking for. A standout feature is the Lefant M210 Pro's ability to connect quickly to the Lefant app via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This model supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so setup is a breeze and control is at your fingertips. Whether you're at home or on the go, the app lets you monitor the vacuum's cleaning path, adjust the suction power, change modes, or even schedule cleanings. You can also link it with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free control, which adds a nice layer of convenience if you're into smart home integration. The vacuum comes with 6 different cleaning modes: arranged cleaning, random cleaning, fixed point cleaning, wall cleaning, timed cleaning, and manual control. Each mode is designed to target specific cleaning needs, whether you're focused on a high-traffic area or you want a more thorough clean across the whole room. And when the job's done or the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging base. Speaking of the battery, you can get up to 120 minutes of cleaning on a single charge, definitely enough for a standard-sized home or apartment. Now, let's talk about the noise levels. The Lefant M210 Pro is surprisingly quiet for its size and suction power. You can easily watch TV or have a conversation without being disturbed, and it's quiet enough that even pets won't mind the sound. The compact design, paired with its quiet operation, makes this model a great option for people with pets that get anxious around louder vacuums. When it comes to performance, the Lefant M210 Pro doesn't disappoint. It has 2 side brushes, which helps it cover more ground and get into corners, something that can be tricky for many robot vacuums. The built-in infrared sensors prevent any accidents, so it won't fall off ledges or bump into furniture too harshly. It's safe to say that the M210 Pro is built to handle the day-to-day cleaning tasks efficiently, and the added features help it stand out from the competition. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Lefant M210 Pro handles hard floors and low-pile carpets like a pro, it might struggle a bit with thicker rugs, especially when it comes to lifting deep-set dirt. Some users may also feel limited by the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support, as it doesn't support 5 GHz networks. So if you've got a high-speed 5 GHz network, you may want to keep that in mind when setting up the vacuum. But for most homes, the 2.4 GHz connection is more than sufficient. What's truly impressive is the M210 Pro's value for money. Given its powerful suction, compact design, and smart features, it positions itself well within its price range. You're getting a solid robot vacuum with good suction, easy app connectivity, and a quiet operation, which is great considering many robot vacuums in this price range don't come close to the same performance. If you're considering alternatives in this price bracket, the Lefant M210 Pro holds its own against models like the iRobot Roomba 675 and Eufy RoboVac 11S. Both of these models are similar in price and size, but the M210 Pro's extra suction power and quieter performance make it a standout. The Roomba 675 has slightly better brand recognition, but it doesn't offer the same level of customization with its app or Alexa integration. The Eufy RoboVac 11S, while an excellent choice for basic cleaning, lacks the Lefant's ability to reach under furniture as easily and doesn't offer as many cleaning modes. In terms of build quality, The M210 Pro feels solid for its size. The plastic doesn't feel overly cheap, and the assembly is straightforward. The side brushes are a nice touch, helping it cover more area and get into corners better than models that only use a single brush. Maintenance is simple, with easy-to-remove components for cleaning, like the dustbin and brush roll. However, if you're dealing with a lot of long hair, be prepared to clean the brush roll periodically, as it can get tangled over time. As for the longevity of the M210 Pro, it's too soon to tell how it holds up long-term, but based on the solid build and brand reputation, you can reasonably expect it to last. So, is the Lefant M210 Pro worth your money? If you're looking for a compact, powerful robot vacuum that performs well on pet hair, offers quiet operation, and integrates seamlessly into a smart home, this could be a great option for you. It's particularly ideal for small to medium-sized homes, apartments, or spaces where getting under furniture is a priority. While it might not handle thick carpets as effectively as some higher-end models, it's a reliable workhorse for everyday cleaning. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Reviewsinsidetv, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Do you own the Lefant M210 Pro or are considering it? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cleaning!